Hello everyone, welcome back to Switch2Tech. Today we are unboxing and reviewing one of the most anticipated headphones of the year, the Sony WH-1000XM6. They're also called as Mark 6 headphones. Let's dive in and see what makes these headphones premium and a game changer too. It is the competition with AirPods Max, Bose Quiet Comforts, and JBL Tour 1 M3. So these three headphones are priced around the same price as Sony's. I have ordered this from Amazon for $400 during the Prime Day sale. Usually they are priced around $449 in Sony website and also in Amazon, roughly around 39,000 rupees in India. So while we are unboxing and we will quickly see the specifications of this video, the box comes with the simple packaging without any plastics, and everything is made from cardboard and a paper. And as you see, there is no plastic in it. Sony commits for sustainability and environment friendly. So as you can see, the box is also made from the recycled cardboard. Let's dive into the specifications. It comes with QN3 HD noise cancelling with 12 microphones and multi-noise sensor technology, auto NC optimizer, and battery with 1050 mAh and lasts for 30 hours and quick charge, 3 minutes charge and 3 hours of listening time. And audio is with 30 drivers and high-res audio technology and DSC extremes and 10 band equalizer with AAC and Sony LDAC support, adaptive noise control and 360 degrees reality spatial audio with head tracking, personalized spatial audio, speak to chat and quick attention, and connectivity with multi-point USB-C 3.5 and Bluetooth 5.3, and weighs around 254 grams and 8.9 oz, and availability on Android, iOS, PC, and Mac. As we open the box, we can see the paperwork attached to the case itself contains the QR code which redirects to Sound Connect app, which is Sony designed app where you can manage your headphones and customize it with different audio profiles and switch between different controls, customizations, and you can control ANC transparency mode here, and you can customize the touch controls and headphone preferences. I will show in-depth setup of the Sound Connect in the later part of the video. As you see, the box comes with a case, looks like the premium finish with fabric touch, and features a magnetic closure mechanism unlikely XM5s. So this offers a faster and more convenient way to open and close the case. And as we open the case, we can see the 3.5 connector to enjoy the lossless audio, and Type-C to Type-A connector with the Sony branding. It is used for charging your headphones itself. And the good news is the Sony headphones are foldable and unfoldable, so the case is noticeably very small when compared to the previous generations. So as you see the headphones itself, you can see the power on and off button. If you long press that power on off button, it will help you to connect to the Bluetooth. This is noise cancellation and ambient mode button, and it will control the ambient mode and noise cancellation. There you see the microphone, and here the 3.5 headphone jack, and again microphone, the other side microphones, and USB-C to charge headphones, and again microphone. There are 12 microphones in the headphones itself. These 12 microphones helps to improve the call quality. The headband is well cushioned with foam and covered with vegan leather to maximize the comfort to your head. The build quality is premium and durable, and Sony labels on the either side of the headphones. The headband can be adjustable so that you can adjust according to your head. The ear cups are foldable and helps to carry easily. That's why the case is comparably small. If you see the ear cups, they are made with soft leather and memory foam which comforts your head and best for all day wear. Let's set up the Sony Sound Connect app. The QR code redirects to the App Store or Play Store. There you can install the app. After installing, we just need to do basic sign up process, giving permission, then it shows to turn on your headphones, and just long press the power button. Then the device should be visible on your app. Then you can pair the device. It redirects to create the Sony account. It helps to restore your settings of you uninstall and install the app in the future. It's a Sony app, right? So they need Sony account. After setup, follow the instructions shown in the app. That's it. You will redirect to the home page. It will show instructions to where and to how to use the controls and customize your touch controls, and you can set up the head tracking and spatial audio, and control the noise cancellation and ambient mode, and set up your equalizer according to your needs. And there are some preset equalizers. So there is heavy, clear, hard, soft, game, and manual. Here you can see the Bluetooth connection quality. You can prioritize the sound quality, and you can see the DSCE extreme audio too. If you on that, you can enjoy the lossless audio. So you can adjust between adaptive noise cancellation over here and listening modes. Coming to the listening modes, so I found this as interesting. There are three different listening modes, such as standard, background music, and cinema. You can adjust them according to your listening preferences. Let's quickly see the controls. Swipe up and down to adjust the volume, swipe right and left to change the track, double tap to pause and play and calls, long press Siri voice assistant. So this is the audio quality for XM6s, and let me know how the audio quality is in the comment sections. Hello everyone, let's do the quick review of a Sony WH-1000XM6. Let's dive into the pros. The sound quality. I can give 9.5 out of 10. XM6s delivers rich, immersive and clear sound quality. Whether you are listening to podcast or music, the detail spots on. Coming to bass, I can give 9 out of 10 for the bass. Sony always nails at the low ends, mid range, and this one's no different. The bass is punchy and controlled, it hits hard without overpowering the mids. Coming to the instrumental separation, I can give 9 out of 10. Layered tracks sound spacious and clean. You can distinctly hear vocals, drums, and background score, clear for critical listening. Treble, I can give 8.5 out of 10. The high frequencies are crisp and airy without sounding harsh, not so sharp, but could use little bit more sparkles in some genres. Build premium all around, feels durable and feels comfortable. The matte finish resists the fingerprints and it folds neatly into the case. Premium build all around and the material feels durable, and the matte finish try to keep the fingerprints out of the zone. It neatly folds into the case. Weight and comfort, I can give 10 out of 10. It is lightweight and super comfortable for your head, even for long wear. The padded headbands, memory foam ear cups seals very well without any pressure. Coming to noise cancellation ANC, I can give 10 out of 10 for that. It's still the king in all the headphones, whether in the flight or in the subway or in the cave. It blocks out the noise incredibly well. Coming to cons, the touch controls, I can give 7 out of 10 for the touch controls. They work well most of the time, but they're a little bit sensitive. So if an accidental brush while you are adjusting your headphones, that leads to change the track or stop the track. And coming to call quality, I can give 6.5 out of 10. So good in indoors, but when you come into outdoors, the environment still pick up the background noise. Could use more mic isolation at this price point. Price, they are premium. But these headphones are worth the hype. Well, if you are serious about the sound quality, love great noise cancellation, and want comfort lasts hours, then absolutely yes. XM6S refines an already legendary formula. It's the smartest evolution yet. If you are upgrading from XM4s and XM5s, it's definitely worth it. Or if you are upgrading from Apple AirPods Pro Max, I can say it definitely worth it. But if you are stick with the Apple ecosystem, you will get some benefits like spatial audio and connectivity across all the devices. That's where everyone's sticking to the Apple. If you try to get out from that zone, you can feel these earphones as the best earphones ever. If you already own XM5s and don't need more ANC or comfort, you might not need it. My overall verdict is 9 out of 10. Near perfect pair of headphones are delivered where it matters. Sound, silence, and style. Everything is in this headphone. Let me know what you think about these headphones in the comment section, and share this video to all your friends who love those headphones. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Your likes and support helps me a lot. Thank you.